I'm actually filled with one.
Okay, my God, I have to finish this all.
Yeah, okay, I'll help you with one. So it actually seems like there are some chili powder sprinkled on the cream or the yogurt or whatever it is. This is called the
Vada Pav.
Vada Pav.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm in Fahdi street. So I'm just checking street food. Come with me. Let's find out what is we can find here. Yeah.
What was that called? Show cheese water. Taste the taste.
So we are going to check out today Pani Puri. It's a popular street chaat in North India and found on roadside food carts. And it is the same here in Dubai as well, how you will find it. The snack with many names, Pani Puri is also known as golgappa, puchka, pakodi, gupchup, pani ke patash. From what we learned, the name differs in different parts of the country, but the love for the food remains the same for the Indians. So let's go eat some pani puris from the authentic North Indian Punjabi pani puri style and let you know what we think about it. Look at this mini Panjab.
Yeah, they have
Pani
the Pani Puri. Mini Punjab.
Can you have a two?
One.
Two. Pani puri.
Pani Puri.
Yes.
So we can try the. So I think we can try a couple of things here. Like the samosa is there.
Yes.
Vada Pav is there. Pani Puri is there. Samosa Chaat is there. All
Yeah, pani puri and vada pav. Not parcel. Two.
Pani Puri,
Vada pav and egg. What samosa chaat?
Samosa chaat.
Egg.
Samosa chaat
Samosa chaat egg. Pani puri two and vada pav one.
then we can try here.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
मैडम एक्सक्यूज मी इसको उधर डालो ये उधर ये इसको डस्टबिन में डालो इधर नहीं क्या करेगा उसका बूंदी खट्टा मीठा मिक्स रहेगा ना क्या मिक्स रहेगा ना बूंदी स्पेशल मीठा हाँ
This is called the
Vada pav.
Vada Pav.
Aiwa. Pani puri.
Go up soft pani
Now you have to do like this.
ठीक है.
Thank you bro. kind of crispy and sweet.
And little bit of like potato,
Yeah.
right?
Your turn.
I tried. I think I had enough.
So my
So
turn.
I think there's a bit of
It's my turn.
crisps.
It's crispy and sweet. It's actually original pani puri.
Well, actually, do it this
First time I tried this one, wow, it's really cool. It's really cool. It's very nice.
And this is
Chaat, samosa chaat.
samosa chaat. And this is a vada pav. Okay, I think they keep on adding pani puris. I think it comes with the package. I'm actually filled with one.
Okay, my god, I have to finish this all.
Yeah, okay, I'll help you with one.
Wow, it's crazy. Okay, I think this is the fourth one.
What is this?
This is the masala, like a dry, without.
Masala puri?
Yeah, without this. One. मर जाएगा मेरे को
So many varieties of puris.
Yes.
It's a
Yes. Mini Panjab.
chefs at Mini Panjab. Puri Chefs. Pani Puri Chefs. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Maybe. I think I'm full. Yes.
It's a Vada Pav. Pav. I don't know how you call it.
Look at the beauty of Vada Pav, Punjab.
Yeah, it's like a aloo, like a potato. Oops.
Potato.
Masala inside.
Vada Pav.
It's a bit spicy.
Fresh bread,
Mm.
spicy, and inside potato is very fresh. You know? This is how you will get a Vada Pav in Punjab.
Punjab style.
Yes, Punjab. Next plate is samosa chaat. Wow,
What can
smells
we
good.
see?
Yeah, tomato and same samosa they make a mix. The samosa, some curd, some kind of crispy. You can see the bites.
Here I can see some tomatoes, then some onions, and I don't know if this is yogurt. The white color cream.
This is my
You
first
can
time
try
I'm
and-
trying.
You can try and tell what is it.
Samosa with potato, some of cream. It's not a yogurt.
It's not yogurt.
It's not yogurt. It's a cream.
Is it like a sweet or
No, it's
sour?
spicy. Wow. Have some gravy inside. You got this? Yeah. Wow.
or the yogurt, which is giving the spicy taste. And you can see some paste. It's like some leafy with tomatoes, all mixed.
So about the most common pani puri, the water of pani gave a sour, tangy and a bit of spiciness, but it is well adjusted with the addition of sweet chutney taste. It also had that smashed potato which burns your tongue and might make you enjoy the snack instantly. So do I like it? Yes, I did, and I can say I might return to check out other varieties of puris. Ciao, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for the support. Take care guys.